Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of days, I've posted two videos highlighting, number one, that Windows 11 update will soon automatically roll back problematic drivers. I'll leave the video linked if you want more info. And then just yesterday, I posted that Microsoft had mentioned that Windows Update will finally stop replacing new graphics drivers with older ones. I'll leave the video linked as well. Check them out if you want more info. And Microsoft has been focusing a lot on improving the driver aspect of Windows 11 as mentioned in those videos. With basically Microsoft saying that Windows needs drivers that are more reliable and cause fewer issues. And in regards to this, Microsoft now is going to start working with OEM partners to minimize these issues. And this is all according to Microsoft over at its Windows Hardware Engineering Conference recently, where Microsoft said that it's introducing a new driver quality initiative, DQI for short. And this is just a graphic taken from that announcement. And with this DQI, Microsoft is hopeful that it can make Windows systems more stable, improve driver quality, and make apps run more reliably on all form factors. So I thought this was interesting. Just another aspect of where Microsoft is trying to improve driver quality going forward. So just a quick update to keep you in the loop. Now with DQR, Microsoft said it wants to lead a new ecosystem-driven effort to improve the quality of Windows drivers and address performance and security issues, with Microsoft saying, and I'm quoting, "By introducing the Driver Quality Initiative, a comprehensive ecosystem-wide effort designed to fundamentally raise the bar on driver quality, reliability, and security across Windows," quote unquote. Microsoft has also said that drivers sit at the heart of every Windows experience. So basically, it's hopeful that the Driver Quality Initiative will address these long-standing problems. And Microsoft, as you can see, has broken this down into 4 principles. The first being architecture. Microsoft says that internal tests, it found that Windows 11 is more reliable and secure when OEM partners, original equipment manufacturer partners, use Microsoft's authorized class drivers and a user mode driver structure that provides an isolated environment. So basically what Microsoft is hopeful in regards to architecture is it's blocking access to the kernel and making sure that a software bug or device malfunction is contained completely within its own process. So that's the architecture side of things. Then next up we have trust, where Microsoft will now carefully approve partners, authorize trusted drivers, and introduce stricter verification protocols to curb major driver issues. And then with lifecycle, Microsoft plans to deprecate outdated or low-quality drivers and offer better lifecycle management through Windows Update. And I've posted on that over the last couple of days. As mentioned, go check those videos out. And then number 4, we get measures, quality measures, where Microsoft says it's expanding how driver quality is measured beyond crashes to include stability, functionality, performance, and power and thermal impact, giving partners clearer signals to improve the real customer experience, according to the announcement. So interesting stuff. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think Microsoft is going to put its money where its mouth is, so to speak? So this is something that Microsoft is going to start rolling out in the coming months. So obviously I'll keep my ear to the ground with this. So lots going on in regards to drivers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.